Good morning, puppy. What are you doing? Hi, good morning, good morning. Are you going to get up and go to school today? You had a little vacation day yesterday, didn't you? Can you say good morning to your friends? I feel the same way. I had a hard time getting up today. Want to go to school? See the kids? Oh my goodness. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my old kitchen. Hi, dogs. I never talk about my house too much. My house is old. It's well, it's not old, but it was built in '78. Some of it is still original. Some of it has been done over. Some of it is 20 years old, 30 years old. I don't know. I gotta go find my glasses and some Mucinex. And let's go out to the world today. Judy, I want to go back and get some more of these mums. Look at how,
God, look at that.
Look at how beautiful this is.
Absolutely gorgeous.
When I took the plastic off of it, I could not believe how huge it was.
Yeah, be sure and plant that one.
Was it really $9.99? I mean,
Yeah.
honestly, and it's just amazing. Getting some windy. Wow. Nope. We don't want any trees to come down, Holly and Henry. You know? There goes the bus down the street. There goes the bus. We're all done. You guys are looking at the dog across the street, but we need to go in the house. Come on. Come on. These trees are so wonky here because the guys this summer trimmed them for the wires but left all the branches on this side. And now they're all leaning this way, which is not good because they're like towards the house. I wish they would have just taken them all down. There's a couple of dead ones in there, and last night I was walking the dogs. I heard a crack and branches were falling. Nothing serious, you know, just... But when you're in the dark and you're under trees and you hear snap crackle, John's like, Julie, don't walk under the trees in the wind. I'm like, I know, but I have very little area that isn't with trees. See? Many trees. Many big trees. Big old trees that are crackling and snapping some branches at me. Whoa. This is like the very end of that tropical storm. They said all we'd get was some gusty wind, and here it is. And it feels good. Does that feel good, Henry? Come on, Wiggles. I have been sitting here editing for a while. I got 2 videos done. I'm trying to catch up. I'm getting there. Sometimes I'm behind. It's because my life is crazy. I'm gonna go upstairs now and take a shower and do my hair and put makeup on and make myself feel a little bit better about stuff. I gotta go out and get Thomas. He has a neurologist appointment at 1:30, so I got to pick him up at the high school and then take him there. It's a follow-up to the migraine and loss of vision thing he had last week. So it's a new doctor appointment, so we need to get there a few minutes early and all that jazz. So I'm gonna do everything I can to be on time because it's just, yeah, I'm never on time, so I'm gonna try hard. I am heading over to the high school now to pick Thomas up to take him to the neurologist in Danbury. So it's a new doctor. Hopefully we like him. I don't know. We were going to see an adult neurologist, then they're like, well, wait a minute, he's only 16, so they bumped him to this other guy, so I'm sure it's fine. driving the big van?
Yeah. Don't want that to.
Careful. And where are we going now?
Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, no, sorry. Rehearsal. Yeah, we're totally going. Yeah, we're going.
Rehearsal. Everything went well. He's gonna get some migraine medicine. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And some blood work to test for some stuff and make sure everything's okay. And yeah. Just drive carefully and pay attention to the rules of the road, son.
Oh, your dream.
I made my son stop at Dunkin' Donuts so I can get some coffee. And you want a water? And no, don't put it in reverse. Put it in park. So I just finished week 3 of my guitar lessons. A little less stressed out because nobody has to go to the hospital tonight. Hey, look, I want to show you where I put my Mary Fry stickers. On my guitar case. I got I really love you and I love you very much. So it's a little hard for me. My hand hurts, but I'm learning, and that's what matters. That's what matters. So I now know all the notes of the scale, basically, on some of the strings, and I got a song to play, so that's good. I'm gonna work on it. It's I was just like, I don't know, let me learn some Beatles songs just for the sake of it. But having fibromyalgia is a little bit of a detriment because I'm noticing that my muscles and my fingers hurt and they're having trouble stretching. I have really long fingers. I never had trouble reaching octaves playing the piano, but I just have to learn how to remember to cut my nails off because my nails are too long. So yeah, I love it. I'm getting there. It really helps if you already know how to read music. That's the key. I think that's going to make it easier for me. But I don't know automatically all the chords, you know, and how the notes are structured on the keys of, on the strings of the guitar. The key to anything, to learning, is practicing and practicing. So I need to practice more. And that's that. Now I have to go home because Sarah was going to make some not butternut, what's the other one? Acorn squash for us for dinner. And I think I still need to get salad stuff. So I gotta make a stop at the grocery store. So yeah, all done with lessons. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, lesson place.
Clouds. Some people feel amused by these things. Others are afraid.